The event that we're doing is a district-wide parent elective tour. So we're bringing in parents from the outside to do a face-to-face first, of course, after COVID, to come and visit our electives. We did a survey to the parents, so we're gonna pretty much do a review here and do an overview of our CTE program as a very quick introduction. They're going to learn about what the endorsement is, what the CTE endorsement is for that course, as well as the program of study, what certifications are offered in that program, and if there's a CTSO. It definitely prepares them for the workforce opportunity once they finish school and they graduate. Some of these classes go ahead and lead to a 2-year program already through South Texas College. And this is our fall event, so parents that didn't have the opportunity to come see this tour, they will be more than welcome to join us in the springtime as well.